In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Copilot app on Windows. To get started, open the Microsoft Copilot app on your Windows computer. You can launch it the same way you open any other app, and once it loads, you'll be taken to the sign-in screen. This is the place where Copilot gives you a few different ways to access your account. On the sign-in page, you'll see options to continue with Microsoft, Apple, or Google. The important thing here is to choose the same sign-in method you originally used when creating or accessing your Copilot account. In this example, we'll use the Microsoft option. If your account was created with Google or Apple, instead, just select that matching option so everything links correctly. After choosing Microsoft, a sign-in window will appear. In that window, enter your email address, phone number, or Skype username associated with your Microsoft account, and then click Next. Make sure you type in the account information carefully so you're signing into the correct profile, especially if you use more than one Microsoft account for work, school, or personal use. From here, what happens next depends on whether you've used this account on the device before. If you've previously signed in on this computer, Microsoft may recognize your account and sign you in automatically without asking for your password again. That can make the process much faster. If it doesn't sign you in automatically, just continue by entering your password when prompted. If your device has any additional Microsoft security enabled, such as account verification, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in. The prompts are usually straightforward, and once you finish them, you'll be taken directly into the Copilot app. At that point, you're done. You'll now be logged in and ready to use Microsoft Copilot on Windows. A quick tip before you go: if the sign-in window doesn't appear right away, or if the app seems stuck, try closing and reopening the Copilot app and then repeat the same steps. Also, double-check that you're using the correct sign-in provider, because choosing a different method from the one tied to your account can prevent access. That's all there is to it. Logging into Microsoft Copilot on Windows is a simple process once you know which account method to use, and after you're signed in, you can start using the app right away.